Hello children, today we are going to start a new topic, profit and loss. Let us understand this concept with an example. This is an ice cream vendor. He purchases ice creams from the ice cream factory and sells it to you. The price at which he purchases ice creams from the factory is its cost price. And the price at which he sells it to you is his selling price. जिस प्राइस पे आइसक्रीम वेंडर फैक्ट्री से खरीदता है दैट इज कॉस्ट प्राइस. जिस प्राइस पे वो आपको सेल करता है दैट इज हिज सेलिंग प्राइस. एंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द सेलिंग प्राइस एंड द कॉस्ट प्राइस विल बी हिज प्रॉफिट और लॉस. Now let us understand the terms used in profit and loss. The first is cost price. Cost price is the amount which the shopkeeper pays to buy a thing or a product. Shopkeeper जो उसको परचेज करने के लिए कॉस्ट पे करता है that is the cost price. And the short form of cost price is CP. Second is selling price. The amount at which a shopkeeper sells his product is called selling price. And the short form of selling price is SP. Let's learn what is profit. When the selling price of a product is more than its cost price, a shopkeeper earns profit. When selling price is more than cost price, there is a profit. So selling price minus cost price is profit. So what is the selling price here? 150 rupees. And the cost price of the sandwich is 100. So 150 rupees minus 100 rupees equal to 50 rupees. Therefore, the profit is 50 rupees. Now let us understand what is loss. When the selling price of a thing is less than its cost price, a shopkeeper suffers a loss. Means selling price कम है, cost price ज़्यादा है. Cost price is greater than SP, then there is a loss. So loss equal to cost price minus selling price. So the cost price is 150 rupees, selling price is 125 rupees, and the difference is rupees 25, which is the loss suffered by a shopkeeper. 25 rupees का क्या हुआ उसको? लॉस, क्योंकि कॉस्ट प्राइस ज्यादा थी, सेलिंग प्राइस कम थी. नाउ लेट अस लर्न व्हाट आर ओवरहेड चार्जेस. समटाइम्स अ शॉपकीपर हैज टू बियर एडिशनल कॉस्ट बिफोर सेलिंग द प्रोडक्ट, सच एज ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट, लेबर कॉस्ट, रिपेयरिंग. दीज आर ऑल कॉल्ड ओवरहेड चार्जेस, एंड दीज चार्जेस आर एडेड टू द कॉस्ट प्राइस. What is actual cost price? When transport charges are added to the cost price, it is termed as actual cost price. Suppose a shopkeeper buys fans from the factory, then he brings these fans to his shop. The cost of bringing fans from the factory are called transport charges. These charges will be added to the cost price to get actual cost price of a thing. Repairing charges are also added to the cost price. Suppose a shopkeeper buys an old car and spends some rupees on repairing. So the actual cost price will be the cost price of the old car and the repairing charges paid to make it usable. तो उसको यूजेबल बनाने के लिए जितने चार्जेस वो इनकर करेगा दैट विल बी द एक्चुअल कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ अ कार. नाउ लेट अस लर्न व्हाट इज प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस परसेंट. व्हेन प्रॉफिट और लॉस इज एक्सप्रेस्ड एज अ परसेंटेज, जब प्रॉफिट लॉस को परसेंटेज में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रॉफिट परसेंट और लॉस परसेंट, एंड वी कैलकुलेट इट ऑन cost price. We use these formulas to find out profit or loss percent. When there is a profit, profit divided by cost price into 100. When it is loss, loss divided by cost price into 100. So these formulas are used to find out profit or loss percent. Let us understand this concept with an example. A bookseller buys pencil boxes at rupees 200 each and sells them at rupees 220 each. Find his gain percent. So gain is profit. Profit or gain equal to selling price minus cost price. So 220 is the selling price, 200 is the cost price, and the difference is 20, that is profit. Now to find out profit percent, what we do? Profit divided by cost price into 100. We use the formula profit divided by cost price into 100. So the profit is 20, cost price is 200. So 20 upon 200 into 100. When we cancel it, we get 10%. So a bookseller earned 10% profit. Hope all these concepts are clear to you now. That's all for today. Bye-bye.